This is the teacher preview for the Google Slides, and the topic is analog and digital clock matching, and also the difference between minutes and hours. So for all of my Google Classroom products, I do have a direction video for the students. All they have to do is click play, and then it's me going through the slide and showing them exactly what they need to do. So for the first section, they're matching the digital clock to the analog clock. So they're going to look here, see what time it is, and then they're going to pick which one of these matches. So we know that's 3 o'clock. They're going to click and drag this clock right over top. So they have a couple of these to practice. I'll just go through real quickly. Basically, the time just changes, and then they have to find the matching face. For the next section, they're going to be deciding if this activity over here on the left takes a minute or if it takes more like an hour. So watching a movie would be more like an hour. All they would have to do is take this check mark and put it over the hour clock. So I'll show you the rest of those. And there is a picture for each of those, just in case they can't quite read that phrase or if they need help visualizing. And then also there is an answer key at the end to help you. You can print this out or put this on another computer as you're grading, so you don't have to go back through all the slides. And that will help you out.